Subscribe our channel for new updates. Making your breasts bigger naturally. Ingredients: a tablespoon of dried sage, half a glass of boiling water, How to prepare. Put dried sage in a pan, added boiling water and cover it well and left soaked for 4 hours. How to use. Strain the liquid, and drink it of multiple doses throughout the day. For a week, massage the breasts by sage extracted from the filtration, for 15 minutes. The results show after 2 weeks of daily use. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for new updates.